Hey folks, Jay Stuckervets from Underhill Forge. Just dropping off a quick video to show you something new that we got here for the shop. It just arrived tonight. Inside this big brown box is something that's kind of cool that we've been looking forward to having for a long time. Despite what it looks like, it's not just a box of fun packing peanuts. So here we go, lots of parts, lots of pieces. This is not something you typically see in your average blacksmith shop, but we're going to put it to some good use over the next couple of years. I guarantee you that. Stay tuned. We'll just have to wait a few more days until we actually put everything together. Until next time, I'm Jay Stuckervets from Underhill Forge. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you some more great videos.